Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by preparing the network and devices so casting works reliably. Make sure your phone and Chromecast are on the same Wi-Fi network. Different bands can still work, but keep them on the same router. Plug the Chromecast into the display and power it, then open Google Home on your phone to add and configure the new device. Once added, rename it to something memorable and confirm firmware and account sync before moving on to casting. Now you'll start the actual cast. Open the app or media you want, tap the cast icon, and select your configured Chromecast. The media streams directly to the display. If you need full phone screen mirroring, open Google Home, choose Cast Screen/Audio, then pick the Chromecast. On your laptop, open Chrome and use Cast Sources to mirror a tab or your desktop if you prefer routing content through the laptop's browser. This gives you flexibility for presentations or browser content. Finish by stopping the cast when done. Tap the cast icon and choose Stop Casting, or use Google Home to end the session. If casting fails, reboot the Chromecast, router, and phone in that order, then reconnect to the same Wi-Fi. This clears common IP conflicts. Make sure Chromecast and apps are updated, and temporarily disable VPNs or firewalls that block local device discovery. If problems persist, factory reset the Chromecast as a last resort, and set it up again to clear persistent configuration issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.